In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your account private on Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting here on my Facebook, everything's already open, and I'm logged into my account. What we're going to do is adjust your privacy settings, so your account and posts are more private and controlled. So the first thing I'm going to do is tap my profile picture in the top right corner to access the menu. Once the menu opens, I'm going to scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now another set of options appears, so I'll tap on Settings. Alright, now I'm inside the main settings page and I'm going to scroll down until I find the section called Audience and Visibility. From here, I'll tap on How People Find and Contact You. This is where I can control who can see my profile and send me friend requests or messages. Inside this section, I'll go through the various settings. For example, who can send me friend requests, who can see my friends list, and who can look me up using my email or phone number. I'm going to adjust each one to limit visibility to just friends or only me, depending on my preference. Once that's done, I'll go back to the previous menu and tap on Posts. Here, I'll tap Limit Past Posts. This changes all your old public posts to friends only, which is useful if you want to make sure nothing from the past is visible to everyone. Facebook will ask for confirmation, so I'll confirm that I want to limit past posts. And just like that, my account is now set to be much more private. From now on, new posts will follow the privacy settings I've chosen, and old posts are restricted to friends. If you ever want to adjust these settings further, you can revisit these sections and update them anytime. This is a quick and effective way to control your personal information and ensure your account is only visible to the people you trust. And once you've done this, managing your privacy becomes really straightforward. So yeah, that's it. That's how you make your Facebook account more private, by adjusting visibility and limiting past posts.